Hi guys, my name is Danish and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reboot one of the few videos that I did previously, that was the basic things that you need to install with your new PC. So I did a Mac version for this, but I want to do a more in-depth and layered video series about this. So this series is going to be called First Things. So these are the things that you will have to download, install for multiple levels of complexity. So the level of basic system usage, complex pro workloads, gaming/recording workloads, and all of the above, and I'm going to cover this in a series. So without further ado, let's just get started. So you bought a laptop like something like this, or built a PC like this, and if you haven't seen my build series video, I'm going to link it up here. You can go check it out. And if you don't know how to build a PC and how to buy specs, get subscribed to my channel, and I have a video upcoming on that specific topic, and I break down each and every component and the budget range for all of it, going on a tangent. So let's just get started. So you built a PC or bought a PC and you just had a clean install of Windows 10. Let's go in the series manner where you want to browse the internet. So Internet Edge does not have the greatest reputation, and I don't really like it as much. So the first step will be downloading a browser. So be it Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. I am a big user of Chrome because I do have a lot of password save, and it's convenient for me to switch between my Mac and my PC with Chrome and having the history and all of that stuff. So Chrome is my go-to browser. Google Chrome will be the first thing that you download. So you just have to search Google Chrome into Microsoft Edge and go to the website with google.com in its URL, and you can download the Chrome install file and just install it. So now you have a means of browsing the net. Now the next thing is, when you download files from the net, you have to access them and be able to use them. So the most common file type you get is compressed .rar files or .zip files. So you can go to two options here. You can go get WinRAR and pirate it, or buy a license for WinRAR, but you can go for a free open source alternative called 7-zip. So it is completely free. It has all the same functionality of WinRAR. And what more do you need? So 7-zip is the one that you need to go for. So you can now open your .rar or .zip files and extract them and access all the files through them and use them on your own. So the next thing that you need to do is how to open media. So the best and only media player that I will recommend is VLC Media Player. So this is videolan.org. It's open source, it's completely supported, they keep updating it regularly. It's the best. You can't go wrong with VLC Media Player. And for PDF files, Adobe Reader is just there. It's been a standard for a long time. And I also will recommend the sister version of Adobe Reader called Adobe Digital Edition. So this is for the .epub file extensions or ebooks. If you do download and read ebooks rather than physically buying the books or owning a Kindle, .epub files can be opened with the Adobe Digital Editions, which I do use myself, and it works nicely, and you don't have to worry about any issues with that. And then along with this, you can go with your business tools like Skype, Zoom. Google Meets is browser based, so it doesn't matter. Going a little bit more deep, I'm going to recommend one software, that is the GPU driver support software. So it is either GeForce Experience if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or it is the Radeon software tools for an AMD GPU. So both of these just enable you to check for regular updates for your GPU and update them and keep them up to date. With NVIDIA, it's a bit more complex because they offer you two versions of a driver. There is a game ready driver and a studio driver. For you as a normal consumer, the game ready driver will be the most commonly compatible one and not give you any flaws. You need the Steam client if you are buying games off of Steam and using it, and Discord. So Discord is just a communication app which works off the net, and most commonly we use it as a group chat app that runs in the background while we are playing Steam with our friends, just as a means of being nonchalant and just ducking around with friends and just having fun. So these are my top picks for a basic system layout that will have you up and running and have you be able to use the whole functionality of Windows without going into any niche area that you really like to use and work with, where the conditions change and you have to download dedicated software for all of that. But with this list of 10 apps, you can just have it up and running within a few minutes and have all the functionality and use your system without any issues. So if you have any doubts about this, you can just let me know in the comments and hit me me up and I'll try to help you out. If you like this video, give this video a like, get subscribed to my channel and ring the bell icon to receive notifications about my new videos whenever they come up. And stay home, stay safe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.